OMG. Is this like this? Huh? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I am going to do a Shopee haul. Haul? Shopee. Shopee. With this. So I got confused with the others. I ordered two bra pad, black and nude. I got this push-up bra, gray and black. So bahala gamay, basta magbrata, di ba, mga girls? Magbrata yung panagkan mo na masikan ka. So, ba na lang na yung makasagan, di ba? Di ba? I thought it would be big for me, but it's just quite enough. Black. So this bra is quite comfortable for me because it's non-wire. It's non-wire, and the fabric is very good. And then this one, ta-da! Our bodycon dress. It's a halter dress. Ooh. It looks like apron. But not bad for the price because I bought it, I think, for only 50 pesos. Yeah, 50 peso each. But dress looks like too short for me. So I got white. These colors look like rust color, and this one is red. It's just saying it will be very short for me because my butt is quite it looks like too short for me. Can I try this on? Fit it. Feels like very small for me. Too short. OMG. Is this like this? Huh? It's supposed to be like this, yeah. It's too short. Huh? Kita lang. What na? It just looks like long sleeveless. I'm a little bit disappointed. So next, I'm gonna open this another. Good packaging. This is a gimbal stabilizer. Actually, I have already gimbal, but it's quite difficult for me to use it because it's got a lot of moving parts. So just I bought another one. This is a phone stabilizer, anti-shake. So it's quite different from the other one that I'm using. White for this. White color. You can't go wrong with white. So this gimbal stabilizer is quite light or not heavy compared to the gimbal stabilizer that I'm using currently now. So let's see. This is extensible until... Why so hard? So this is extensible until 34 inches though. Oh, it's long. And also it got a camera Bluetooth remote control. So it's quite cool. And then it has a adjustable tripod. Oh, see, Dala siya gamit. Not bad for its price. Actually, I bought it for almost, I think almost 1K. So it has a power on button this side. So let's turn it on. Done. I'll take a one. Selfie na to. Cha. This one is a tripod. I'm gonna use this when I do a cooking video. This tripod is light. I try to attach my phone here. Ta-da! Ano siya? Ano siya? That's it. This is also cheap. I bought it for only 98 peso. So that's it for so that's it for this video. See you guys on my next Shopee haul. haul. Bye.